Right, so this is a rectifier, cheap off eBay. Fit most motorcycles, 4-wire versions. So there's the little wiring diagram. So you've got AC in, positive out, negative out. So I'm just going to test between each post. Go on to diode mode. So it's the one with that symbol. And then you should get so test between this one, the AC in, and all the others. You get nothing. Switch the leads over. You should get readings on each one that are similar. Well, that one's different. That one's the same as that one. So you're getting readings one way but not the other, and that's how rectifier works. So just test one way, you should have no leakage, no current flow. Flip it back the other way and you should get readings on each one. And that is it.